ìjókòó ká sọ wípé ẹ káàsán alága ìjókòó. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, Alaga Satan. If you know that you really want to marry me, o ní láti sọ fún mọ́mí àti dáàdì kó wọ́n fi ara wọn mọ àwọn parents mi náà. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ kò sí problem, I love you and I'm ready to do anything that you want. Nítorí náà, ni a ṣe wá sí inú ilé yín lọ́jọ́ tòní, inú ilé bàbá mi, Mr. Olúbùnmi Phillips Ajayi, láti ìlú Ọ̀ṣun ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà, Ìwàrà Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Owó lábàá ṣe wà.
My name is Jeremiah here. Well, if I can make it to join. Madam is on here. We'll go party Alpha. Madam is saying you see me, I'm not going to be Muslims. Mumu original of me. Ọmọ bùbá bíi táyọ̀ ọkọ̀. Ọmọ tó mú olúwa. Anyway, ó náà rọ̀ ká máa sọ pé ọmọ tó skábà. She's everything to me. She has been a good friend. She has been my confidant. Even when we fight a lot, we always find a way to accept our rough people. So speaking of her strengths, Morella Jane was agree. She has a never-ending spirit. She doesn't give up. She's someone that is very resilient. If Morella wants to do something, and our weakness, well, no one is perfect, but we're working on it. I'll leave that to us. Alright, speaking about opportunities, with this beautiful damsel, well, the world has not seen us yet. They're not ready for us because with her by my side, even the little time we spent together, I've seen the push and I've seen the God factor in us. Every Tuesday, we are praying tonight though. That one is sure. Every Tuesday we hold vigil, we pray every Tuesday, and every Wednesday we fast together. Then we pray by 12 p.m. every Tuesday.
Wow, so she's a prayer warrior. That's the strength.
Even when I feel like we will take another soon, the next day I have to go and apologize. Normal, Then there's no threats. Because we know that with God by our side, everything is possible.
Wow.
Well, for all the brothers and the guys that are behind now, I'm sorry to disappoint you. This one is taking.
Hey, she's taking.
Taking and taking.
Money go share. Taking and
bringing to the Adeyemi family a daughter and a sister and a friend. And I also want to thank God for the family she came from. It's been a very supportive family. And Morella has also shown that because the way she has even been, there's a conversation she has with my mom that I don't even know about. This is what they said behind me. I mean, I know it's so long. Yes, even with my younger sister. Exactly. What's a plan so many people. And I just want to bless God for giving me this beautiful girl. We met in the church. Should I say the story? We met in the church and God did it. Yes.
who did it? Jesus. Oh my God.
It was 3 years of, but God, here we have this morning, this afternoon rather. Because I know that one thing is sure, God's time is always the best. There's one thing that my mom used to tell me, which I've also seen in my life, that the testament of my life, the journey of my life is God. It has always been God. It's always been God. I couldn't sleep much in the night. And a particular song just came to my head. I don't know if the DJ has it. Peter Sinokobi, Emigoli Shai Chopin. And that's the song that has been ringing in my head for the past few days. I cannot but thank God enough. It's amazing to know that in my family, should I tell them we are 8, and my younger sister and brothers are married, and I'm doing more or less. That comes with younger ones being married, but I thank God for the kind of sisters and brothers I have. There wasn't pressure. It was more like Jesus. And God, I think she was giving time. I bless God for my father, for the word of encouragement.
Thank you, Daddy.
My mommy, yeah, don't worry.
Thank you, Mommy.
And for my elder sisters too, my uncles, my aunties, my brothers, Prophet, thank you very much. Okay, I'm not okay. It's not vote of thanks, right? Because it feels like vote of thanks.
I'm not doing any wrong thing.
Yeah, so I just want to tell them that I have done what God said I should do at His appointed time. I have brought in the beautiful lady to you. Thank you very much.
Name.
Her name is Rola Olua Olamitide Omajayi. Drop Ajayi very soon. Yes. And this Mrs. A. That's what we'll be calling her.
To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
You go again. L-O